Some settings are managed by your organization while not on domain. So, I installed Windows 10 Pro 64-bit yesterday and have been configuring it since. Somewhere along the way a setting got triggered somehow, which results in a message: some settings are managed by your organization. I would like to know how to correct this. I am not part of a domain. This is a home computer and there is one user account, mine, with administrator privileges.
This message is misleading, at least in the Windows Update dialog. This is based on that in the privacy settings under Settings and GT, Privacy and GT, Feedback and AMP, Diagnostics and GT, Diagnostics and Usage data it is set to Basic. Change it to Enhanced or higher, the message disappears. I have a German Windows 10 Professional version, so cannot say exactly whether the menu names are correct. However, this must be increased.
This can also indicate that local group policy settings have been set. You might want to run a malware scan if you're certain you didn't purposefully adjust these settings. It is also conceivable that antivirus programs or system maintenance tools might have done this. To inspect and adjust your machine's local group policy, press Win+R, type peta.msc, and press Enter. In the left pane, expand Administrative Templates under Computer Configuration. Settings for Windows Update are in the folder called Windows Update under Windows Components. The settings for User Profiles are in User Profiles under System and Administrative Templates. After you select a folder that contains policy settings, you can double-click the policies in the main pane to enable, disable, and configure them. Setting policies to not configured will enable the normal UI, for example in Control Panel, in most cases. Once finished adjusting the policies, close the local group policy editor and type Update in the Run dialog. Restart or relog if necessary. Read about the local group policy editor on TechNet. If you have a home edition of Windows, the registry representation of the Windows Update group policy settings is at \software\policies\Microsoft\Windows Update. Most settings are under key_local_machine, but there are some in key_current_user. There can also be an O subkey. Removing the values reverses the group policy settings.
I have spent many hours, days, even weeks on this issue. The best solution I have found is to reset your local group policy editor to its default by resetting all its settings to not configured. See Reset Group Policy Editor.
Since none of the answers in this thread worked for me, here is what did work. Oh, and AMP. Oh, Shut Up 10. It's a free piece of software that gives direct control over your security/privacy policies. So for example, if your Windows Update functionality is locked, it will look something like this. Green/on means the setting is disabled. So just switch those to the off position to revert control back into your hands. There's another similar piece of software called Spybot Anti-Beacon, but its interface is a bit less intuitive. I originally found this answer here, 10 forums.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.